Welcome back, Taste Buddies! If you've been keeping up with the latest food trends, you've probably noticed that rice paper croissants are everywhere right now. They have a unique texture that's a mix between crispy spring rolls and chewy mochi. Plus, they're gluten-free. Without further ado, let's get started. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Start by melting 1 tablespoon of butter in the microwave. Then add 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of salt, a dash of cinnamon, a quarter teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk, and mix well. Pour this mixture onto a flat surface, like a plate or a tray. Carefully dip the rice papers into the mixture and stack them on another plate. We'll do 3 at a time. They'll soften quickly, so you don't need to soak them for long. Before they get too soft, grab your scissors and cut a triangle in the middle of the stack. You'll end up with 3 pieces, 1 triangle and 2 half circles. Place the triangle piece at the bottom, then stack 1 half circle on top of it. Place the other half circle horizontally at the bottom and start rolling everything up tightly. Try to keep the pointy part of the triangle tucked at the bottom. I'll show you what happens when you don't in the next few clips. Transfer to a lined baking sheet and bend the corners to make it look more like a croissant. I know it doesn't look promising now, but this is a trust the process moment. Sprinkle some sugar on top if you like, and bake the croissants at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Then increase the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for another 5 minutes, or until they reach your desired color. If you forget to tuck in the pointy end, don't worry, it might give your croissant a little faux hawk look like this. Just give it a little haircut and you're good to go. And there you have it. Super easy, gluten-free croissants ready in about 45 minutes. The result is a crispy shell with a chewy inside, and they'd be great with various fillings like chocolate or cheese. They might not taste exactly like traditional croissants, but they're quite delicious and simple to make. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you give this recipe a try. Until next time.